Replacing the windows in your Middleton home is one of the best upgrades you can make for comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. But once your new windows are installed, keeping them in top condition requires some seasonal maintenance. By following a few simple steps each season, you'll extend the life of your windows, protect your investment, and ensure they continue performing their best year-round. Spring. Fresh start for your windows. Spring is the perfect time to give your new windows a fresh look after Middleton's chilly winter months. Deep cleaning. Use a mild soap and water solution to wash glass panes, frames, and sills. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage protective coatings. Inspect weather stripping. Look for signs of wear or gaps that could affect insulation. Replace any damaged sections promptly. Clear debris. Remove dirt, leaves, or pollen buildup from tracks and frames to keep windows operating smoothly. A spring refresh not only improves the appearance of your windows but also prepares them for warmer months ahead. Summer. Keeping cool and efficient summers in Middleton bring bright sunshine and warmer temperatures. Your new energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor comfort, but they still benefit from seasonal care. Check for condensation. While modern windows reduce moisture issues, inspect glass and frames for signs of humidity buildup that could indicate ventilation needs. Test locks and hardware. Make sure all moving parts work properly, especially if you open your windows frequently for airflow. Shade smartly. Consider using blinds or curtains during peak sunlight hours to reduce cooling costs and protect window finishes. Proper upkeep during summer ensures your windows continue to perform well even when your air conditioning is working hardest. Fall. Prep for cooler weather as the leaves change in Middleton. Fall is the ideal time to prepare your home for cooler weather. Seal checks. Inspect caulking around frames and reseal where necessary to prevent drafts. Screen storage. Remove and clean window screens to prevent damage during the off-season. Store them in a dry area until spring. Lubricate tracks. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to sliding or casement window tracks to ensure smooth operation through winter. These tasks help maintain energy efficiency while reducing the risk of wear from seasonal temperature shifts. Winter. Protect against cold and moisture. Middleton winters bring cold temperatures, and your windows act as a frontline defense. A little attention ensures they keep your home cozy. Monitor for drafts. Even with new windows, it's wise to check for unusual airflow around frames. Promptly address any issues. Keep glass dry. Wipe away condensation to prevent mold or mildew around frames. Limit ice buildup. Make sure gutters and downspouts near windows are clear, so melting snow doesn't lead to leaks or water damage. Proactive care during winter helps you get the most from your energy-efficient windows. General year-round tips. Some maintenance practices are valuable no matter the season. Regular cleaning. Keep glass and frames free from dirt and debris to maintain both appearance and functionality. Check hardware. Tighten loose screws and replace worn parts to keep windows secure. Professional inspections. Consider scheduling an annual checkup to ensure seals, frames, and glass remain in top shape. These small efforts add up to longer-lasting performance and fewer costly repairs. Final thoughts for Middleton homeowners. New windows are an investment in comfort, energy efficiency, and beauty. But like any part of your home, they benefit from seasonal care. By following simple maintenance routines each spring, summer, fall, and winter, you'll extend the life of your windows and protect your investment. Whether it's cleaning, sealing, or keeping an eye on condensation, these small steps ensure your Middleton home stays comfortable and efficient all year long. With proper care, your windows will continue to shine, inside and out, for decades to come.